What's good with y'all? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. I'm on the move, and today we're going to get John Jones. Going to get John Jones. Well, I should say we're gonna take it over to Lawless Street Car. So we about to go ahead and get that thing rolling, get it on the way. Hope get it back before the end of October. That's what I'm hoping. But we about to go get it over there to Lawless Street Car. So about to get the car over there, all the turbo parts and all this stuff, and get it going, man, and see what else we get into today. So yep, y'all just stay tuned. About to hop in the car, get it rolling, and I'll catch y'all in a minute. Checking in. So got John Jones that made it down here to Jesse. I'm on the phone cause man, I took the camera, I turned the camera on and left the battery. I left the battery at the house, man. I charged it up last night, so I ain't got no battery in the camera, so we on the phone for right now. So yeah, we about to get this thing out. Like I said, he said he about a week and a half out, so we get this bad boy out there. Alright, so this the pipe. It's the pipe right here that was hitting the K member. Just gonna have to do some massaging on that one piece. I talked to John. at HURON Speed. He was like, it made the use with a K member, tubular K member, but they got two different ones. They got an actual K member for these cars that for a turbo. And I don't know what's in this car. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I don't know what's in this one. So, but it's a tubular K member. But so gotta get the cold side on, turbo back on. Just gonna stand it up and all that. Make some bracket holder radiator. And shoot, we gonna on a roll with it. So coming soon. All right, so we got it all unloaded. Over here at Lawless now. So just about to get this thing straightened out. So we should have it back here in a little bit. So yep, I'm gonna head back to the house, and I'll catch y'all in a little bit. All right, so we're checking in. Say about to go. So today, what I'm planning on too. So we just dropped the car. We're gonna go take this to the track right quick. Let me back up, sir. Let me back the car. So we about to take this thing to the track. Since I'm about to pull the engine out, like why not? And I'm gonna do a separate video. It's the same day, but I'm gonna do a separate video cause like I said, wife is gonna take the car down the track. So I'm making a separate video. Watch out, sir. Don't make sure the Tina don't come out in the way. So go in the garage and make sure the Tina don't come out. So yeah, we about to take this thing down the track. Literally make about 4 hits. And then come back home. Come back home, man. Got a lot of stuff to do today, but I'm like, why not? It's pretty Sunday. Like I said, I want to see what it do before it come out. So it's coming out this week. The engine is coming out this week, so might as well and load the family up. Ride down to Headhunter Dragway. Make some quick hits. Come back. So y'all just stay tuned. She knocked out, y'all. She on flatline. She gonna take it. We on the way though. We on the way. I had to get Tina in there, but she on flatline on there. Alright, y'all. We checking in at the track. About to go ahead and make a shakedown and make one. Then probably get ready to head out. Y'all gotta check the other video to catch wife Shakedown. We're gonna let her get a hit, so catch y'all in a minute. second pass. Boy, that's slow and past ever. That's slow and past ever. Hey, boy. Meech ain't going nowhere, boy. I know I made a 15-second pass. Wifey probably gonna make a 30-second pass, and that ain't even possible. She probably gonna make a whole 30-second pass, man. That ain't even possible. Good God Almighty. Woo. Oh boy, Meech, you ain't nothing but a cruiser, boy. Hey, Meech ain't nothing but a cruiser. But we got a ticket, man. I'm curious to see what they're gonna say. So, that's it. That's it. We finna head back to the house. So I'm gonna holler at y'all when I get back. Alright, y'all, so we checking in back from the track. Like I said, literally went down there, made a shakedown, and that was it. So I ran. Before I tell you, go ahead and drop in the comment what you think I ran. Go ahead and drop in the comment what y'all think Big Meech ran. Now, since y'all dropped in the comment, I hope you paused the video and dropped in the comment what you think I ran. The car ran an 11.11. 11-second 8 mile, man. That's terrible, boy. There's some people running a quarter mile in that, faster than that, boy. So the stock 350. Well, it really technically it's not stock, you know, cause it got aluminum intake, dual plane intake on it, and headers. But besides that, it's stock. That's what it ran, 11.11. So if you get this same setup in a box Chevy and you want to put it on the track, gear ratio play a part too. It got a 410 rear end, posi, true posi, all the time. So you imagine with a smaller gear and a different transmission, that make a difference too. If it had a 350 or 3-speed transmission, it would have went faster. But like I said, if you got this same setup, 700 R4 transmission, AutoZone crate 350, and a 410 in this box Chevy, this weight car, it probably what you can look forward to. 11 not fast at all, man. It's not fast at all, but it been a good day. It been a good day, man. It's stuff to do. We got John Jones over at Lawless Street Cars now. We ran Big Meech on the track. I mean, I had to put it on the track and show y'all before we took it out, cause it coming out this week. So yeah. So yep, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. Hope y'all always enjoy everything. We'll be back here tomorrow. I'm dropping every single day. That's it. I'm out.